But I walk through shadows with burdens heavy, my heart in tow. But promises whispered are lingering around. In Christ all the answers, my faith is found. Corinthians shines bright, showing me the way. Each promise with power, each word that won't stray. I let go of what binds me, and trust comes alive. With every sunrise, I learn how to thrive. No, oh no, I lift my hands high. This is the day that the Lord has supplied. New beginnings are waiting, fresh starts like the dawn. In every moment I find where I belong. Relying on your love, it echoes so clear. Every breath that I take, I'm living without fear. Taking move, I dream of grace yet to be. With hope as my anchor, my spirit runs free. Hebrews reminds me you're here through it all. From yesterday's pain to tomorrow's call. It's not just a journey, it's a beautiful ride. With your daily bread, Lord, you're by my side. Matthew speaks wisdom, telling me to see every need that I have. In you I'm convinced, letting it go, all my fears and regrets. Isaiah shows promise, the past doesn't fret, for you're making new. From ashes we rise, in the light of your presence, my soul never lies. No, oh no, I lift my hands high. This is the day that the Lord has supplied. New beginnings are waiting, fresh starts like the dawn. In every moment I find where I belong. Relying on your love, it echoes so clear. Every breath that I take, I'm living without fear. Jeremiah speaks of hope that won't fade. Each moment a treasure, no need to be afraid. Deuteronomy echoes, fear not, stand tall. With every new chapter, you're guiding it all. You're the same yesterday, today and forever. In your promise I'm anchored. We will always endeavor. When the dust settles in and shadows might creep, I cling to these truths. In your love I live. You're the song in my heart, the joy in the strife. With you in the present, I find new life. Isaiah 65 there's a future so bright in the arms of the Father. All pain takes flight. So today I rejoice in the grace that I see, embracing tomorrow, knowing you believe in me. With every heartbeat I'm ready to soar. In Christ I found promise, forever and more.